What up, this your boy Jeffrey Jones coming to you with another video. Look, I recently came across this topic of which would you rather choose. And I was listening to this YouTube, I believe their YouTube name is All Def Digital. You can find them on YouTube. But they were speaking on this topic of which would you rather choose, your adult friends, or would you rather choose your childhood friends that you grew up with? And I got to thinking about all of the things that I did growing up. And I often tell people this, so this topic sort of hits home with me in who I choose. I would not trade my childhood for any other childhood out there. I had so much fun growing up. Me and my friends did so many adventurous things. We had so much fun, and I know my adult friends are gonna kill me for saying this, but I would much rather choose my childhood friends. I said it. Look, I said it. We had so much fun. Like, let me try to break this down. When I was growing up, we had snowball fights. When I was growing up, we used to have our parents drive us to the mall, and we'd spend hours, days going into the night. No, not days, but we'd go into the mall during the day and then wouldn't leave until the nighttime. We would go to the gym during the daytime and wouldn't leave till the nighttime. We did so many fun things. We rode our bikes every day during the summer. We went to the parks. We went to each other's houses. There is no other childhood that I would rather have than either mine or my friends. We had so much fun. We had so much fun. Now, my adult friends, they are amazing. I love you all. If you're watching this, I love you all. But my adult friends, we are just so adult now. And I guess it's a part of me that just wants to be a kid still. But my adult friends are just so, like, we're so adultish now. Like, I can't just call them and text them and tell them, hey, come on, let's go bust this mission. Let's go do this. I can't do that nowadays. My adult friends, it's more of a, hey, what you up to? Okay, can I get you to come over next week from now at this time? Can you fit it in your schedule? You know, when we were kids, we call each other, hey, what we doing today? And figure it out, because we had nothing else to do. But we made the most of our time, and you all, I know my adult friends are gonna kill me, but I would much rather choose my childhood friends. And to my childhood friends that are watching this, you know we had some fun. Look, comment in the comment box about which you would rather choose. Would you rather choose your adult friends, or would you rather choose your childhood friends? For me, we did all types of stuff, and I wouldn't change it for the world. I would choose my childhood friends without even second guessing. No one could persuade me otherwise. We did so many things. We went to school together. We went to elementary school together. We went to middle school together. And while we don't currently live in the same state, a lot of my friends are doing their things now in our hometown, and, you know, close to our hometown and things of that nature. While we don't really have a lot in common now, because I'm married with children, things of that nature, if I could choose, I would without hesitation choose my childhood friends, because we had so much fun. We did everything together. We spent the night at each other's houses. We played sports together. Our parents knew each other. I would choose them. I grew up with them. I didn't go to college with them, but I would choose you all. And so, tell me what you all think. This has been another video from Jeffrey Jones. Look, check out our videos. I'm trying to post as many videos as I can. Give me if you're watching this, tell me what you think. Should I post 2 videos a week? Do you like these reaction videos? Let me know. Alright, this has been your boy. I'm out.